the heart of your home where elegance gleams. Marble floors whisper of opulent dreams. But time takes its toll and wear starts to show. Yet fear not, we're here to make your marble glow. Marble polished to perfection like a radiant dream. With every stroke, restoring its gleam. From dull to divine, we'll make it shine bright. Tile cleaning agents, we bring back the light. Years may have passed, leaving marks in their wake, but our skilled hands ensure no blemish will take. With precision and care, we unveil the true grace, resurrecting your marble in every embrace. Marble polished to perfection like a radiant dream. With every stroke, restoring its gleam. From dull to divine, we'll make it shine bright. Tile cleaning agents, we bring back the light. From ancient allure to modern chic, our expertise makes your marble speak. With passion and dedication, we craft and refine. Bring back brilliance for your space to shine. So entrust us your floors, let us work our art. At Tile Cleaning Agents, we'll make a fresh start.